Hello audience, it's your friend Cameron, also aka Black Dragon for the record, because this video I'm going to tell you I am playing Grand Theft Auto right now, if you can't hear it in the background, and I managed to get onto the train with no help whatsoever. No player help, no AI help, no vehicle help. I did this completely on my own. And the best part is I didn't use any glitch or anything. And what you are about to see is 100% legit. Check it out. Yeah, right? This is me, Black Dragon. Actually, sorry, let me repeat that. My name is PSG Black Dragon. See? This is going to sound weird, but I've never seen the train stop until today. As soon as it stopped, all I did was hop on. So for the people who don't think the train can stop, it does stop at certain points apparently, and that's your chance to hop on. Where I got on was at the power plant, with all the smokestacks and everything. If you get there, you can hop onto the train. So that's about it for my video. So yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye.